When you launch an Amazon PPC campaign, do you know how long you have before the money is gone? Yes, about 3 hours, maybe less. You set a budget, you pick some keywords, and you pray. But if your strategy is set and forget it, you are not selling, you are just paying Amazon to learn stuff you don't need to know. Bad PPC burns cash on random clicks. Good PPC buys you page one placement. Here is a math. Bad PPC means a high ACOS. You spend $5 to make $5. You broke even, but Amazon got paid. Good PPC uses negative keyword. It kills the junk traffic. It bid hard on the terms that actually convert. So if the math is so simple, why do most sellers get it wrong? Because they treat it like a casino. They spin the wheel and hope they win. They don't check the search term report. They don't adjust bids for the weekend. They don't realize they are bidding against themselves in two different campaigns. So they end up losing money, and they don't even know why.
At Spectral DPO, we don't just run your ads, we engineer them. We find the hidden keywords that your competitors are hiding. We lower your bids on the stuff that doesn't work. We push all the budgets towards the stuff that does. And here is the twist. We don't want you to pay us until you see it working. Here is the deal. We work with our team for 1 month. We rebuild your campaigns. We fix your ACOS. We get your products in front of the right buyers. And at the end of the 30 days, if your sales aren't better, if you are not spending smarter, you walk away. You pay us nothing, no financial obligations. This is not an ad, it's a promise. Growth is not luck, it's a system. We are ready to build this system for you.
So click the link and book the call. Let's fix your PPC. Zero risks, all reward. Let's go.